Swipe is a stage where organizations can make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges internationally. Clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistence, and organization financial matters. Swipe tokens interface with significant installments frameworks internationally and assist organizations with changing their cryptographic money over completely to stable coins or fiat-supported cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the expert card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on finance Shrewd Chain and Ethereum. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with a mean to make crypto interoperability with customary money, and it was subsequently obtained by Binance in 2020. Swipe has essentially three parts: the primary organization, which, right off the bat, creates check cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so forth. Also, Binance, the principal partners, cooperated to bring advancements. Swipe environment, which incorporates decentralized application, local area, and in conclusion its clients. Remarkable elements of Swipe coin. The SXP token is the local cryptographic money of the Swipe. It drives the SXP environment and administers the decentralized convention. According to the Swipe token financial aspects, the absolute flowing inventory diminishes when the organization is more used. Swipe wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, making recommendations and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay north of 60 million shippers overall and used to partake in liquidity mining programs. Market feelings and cost of Swipe coin. The ongoing cost at which Swipe exchanging the market is around $1.27, with an exchanging volume of $112,514,804. It has a market cap of around $249,375,781, a completely weakened market capitalization of $308,057,039, a most extreme inventory of 239,612,084 SXP. The most exorbitant cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which was a long time back. Specialized investigation shows that Swipe cost today is exchanging negatively. In any case, after the negative sign arrangement, the sideways exchanging go on for the following couple of days. Specialized investigation of Swipe. After the bullish pattern of SXP exchanges from July to September, the Swipe value skips and hits $4.66 on August the 23rd of September 7 is the dim day of the crypto market. The whole digital money market has plunged, breaking every one of the expectations. Swipe financial backers go to sell Swipe mode and benefit booking. The cost of Swipe has tumbled from $3.92 to $2.13. SXP cost proceeded with a sideways pattern without making new levels. The ongoing cost of Swipe coin is around $1.27. The following quick obstruction level is $1.80. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an opposition level of $2.35. The significant obstruction obstacle for the year is $3.52. Transient specialized examination shows that Swipe cryptographic money needs to break the $1.80 opposition level to arrive at the Swipe cost in the $2-3 territory. According to examination, $3.52 is going about as a significant opposition level to enroll another high of Swipe. However, it may not occur in that frame of mind since many factors generally impact crypto coins and the crypto economy. This is the exchange set of Swipe from the last month onwards. Despite the fact that it gave huge benefit for financial backers somewhat recently, last month a moderate misfortune book. Swipe was sideways in the equal scope of $1 to $2. According to the anticipated level, it will turn bullish by breaking the sideways zone and getting the force soon. The cost of Swipe is moving beneath its 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA. Dread and covetousness file is put at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Cryptographic money lovers or don't know about the Swipe risk. Specialized pointers for Swipe value expectation are displayed in the figure. The MACD line might cross the sign line in the impending meetings, however isn't sufficiently able to climb. Relative list strength is set at 37, which is unbiased. The cost neither shows the purchase Swipe signal nor does it demonstrate the sell signal. Market opinions on Swipe cost are unbiased, and a similar will go on for the week. Prompt help is put at $2.31, and significant help levels are 62 cents and 15 cents. Breaking the $1 support zone can make an unexpected fall in Swipe. At this point, specialized examination isn't showing a separate underneath the significant help zone, and a transcend opposition levels can take Swipe into a higher worth zone. That the token is a marvelous long-haul venture decision. In view of the examination, the cost might arrive at a most extreme degree of $6.15 by 2027. On the off chance that merchants put resources into the coin today for quite some time, they might procure a benefit of around plus 396.05%. The swipe token won't be a productive resource for the present moment, as indicated by the past value developments and information. The most extreme cost level for 2022 can be around $2.18 with a base cost and the typical cost of $1.83 and $1.89. What's in store costs of the token is anticipated to be bullish. Toward the finish of 2023, the base cost can be $6.32, while the cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $8.55. The typical exchanging cost for the year may be $7.43. The crypto market is very developing, and the costs of SXP tokens will likewise fill from now on. It can arrive at a most extreme value level of $12.68 continuously 2027. While the typical cost is supposed to be $11. The swipe cost figure for what's in store is extremely bullish. On the off chance that the coin can break huge mental opposition levels, the worth of the SXP token might increment and make another unequaled high. It is a success and an extraordinary digital currency accessible at a lower cost. The worth of coins might increment soon, on the lookout. Swipe cost is supposed to increment and give great returns continuously, finishing itself in the event that worldwide prompts are in favor. Brokers might put resources into plunge for a decent return. Risk is an unavoidable piece of the crypto space. For financial backers who will face challenges, SXP can be another expansion to their portfolio. Swipe value expectation 2022. The SXP conjecture for 2022 recommends that the cost could be around $1.63 at the outset. The typical cost range perhaps around $2.75. The greatest cost for the year end is determined to be around $2.25. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment definitely in the year 2022 according to the estimate. Hence, the swipe digital currency market isn't giving an unexpected lucrative sign for those intending to contribute for 2022, as it were. Swipe value forecast 2023. SXP cost forecast shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a greatest scope of $3 to $4 with a typical cost of $3.53. According to the estimate, the SXP cost is positive for the year. In the event that the digital currency market is bullish, swipe can break the greatest cost around the same time. Swipe value expectation 2024. Our figure shows that swipe will break the $5.56 opposition level and make an unequaled high. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around $6.43. Numerous merchants might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated way. And our SXP token gauges show that the cost will not go underneath $5, which will be the most reduced cost of the coin in 2024. SXP value conjecture 2025. 5 years down the line, gigantic turns of events and acknowledgement of swipe are supposed to occur.